Hello, my name is Keanu.
Hi, Keanu. Nice to meet you. I'm Lovely.
You are new here, right?
Yes, I just moved last week.
Welcome. Where are you originally from?
I am from Seoul, Korea.
That's interesting. I live nearby.
Oh, good. Maybe we can have coffee sometime.
I would like that very much.
See you around.
What do you do for work, Lovely?
I work as an English teacher.
That sounds like a great job.
It is. What about you?
I am a software engineer.
Wow. Are you busy right now?
Yes, we are finishing a big project this month.
I see. Do you like programming?
Most of the time, yes, I do.
That's good to hear.
What are your plans for the upcoming weekend?
I think I am going to relax and read a book.
Sounds peaceful. Will you stay home all weekend?
Probably. I went hiking last weekend, so I am tired.
I understand. I am going shopping on Saturday.
Are you buying anything special?
Just some new clothes for the summer.
Enjoy your shopping trip.
Thank you. Have a good rest.
You too, Keanu.
Did you see the memo about the 10:30 team meeting?
Pardon? Did you say 10:30 or 12:30?
I said 10:30 this morning.
Oh, I see. Could you speak a little slower, please?
Of course. The meeting is at 10:30 today.
Thank you. I didn't hear the time clearly.
No problem at all.
What room is the meeting in?
Room 402, upstairs.
Got it.
Lovely. I need to print this document quickly.
Okay. Do you need something from me?
Yes. May I please borrow your office key?
My office key? What for?
The printer supplies are locked inside your desk.
Oh, sure. Here you go. Please bring it back soon.
Of course. I will return it in 10 minutes.
Perfect. Thanks.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Do you like watching action movies?
No, I don't really like them. I prefer comedy.
Really? I love sci-fi movies, but I don't mind comedy.
I find action movies too loud. What do you hate watching?
I can't stand reality TV shows. They are boring.
Me too. I really dislike them.
So, what is your favorite type of movie?
Definitely a romantic drama.
Interesting. Maybe we can watch one together.
I'd like that.
Lovely. Do you have a moment?
Yes, Keanu. What do you need?
I need assistance with this computer program.
Oh, is it the new database software?
Yes, I can't figure out how to save my work file.
No problem. I can show you how to save.
Thank you. Can you show me the steps clearly?
Look here. Click File, and then select Save As.
Ah, I see. That was easy.
Just ask if you need anything else.
Do you have any pets at home?
Yes, I have one cat. Her name is Luna.
A cat? How old is she?
She is quite old now, about 15 years old.
Wow, that's an old cat. Does she sleep a lot?
She does. She spends most of the day near the window.
That sounds typical for a cat.
What about you? Do you want a pet?
I would love a dog, but my apartment is too small.
Maybe someday you will get one.
What is your absolute favorite food, Lovely?
That's a hard question. I really love pizza.
Do you like all kinds of pizza equally?
Mostly, yes, but I love Hawaiian pizza the most.
Oh, I disagree. I don't like pineapple on pizza at all.
I know many people don't like the fruit.
What kind of restaurant should we go to tonight?
Maybe an Italian place? They usually have great pasta.
Good idea. Let's go there around 7.
Perfect.
I think the weather today is much better than yesterday.
I agree. It is perfect for walking outside this afternoon.
The city park is the best place to exercise, in my opinion.
I think that's right, but the community gym is faster for weightlifting.
That's true. It is very convenient.
This article says the traffic this morning was terrible.
I actually think it wasn't bad for a Monday.
Do you? Maybe I woke up too late then.
You should start leaving 5 minutes earlier.
Okay, thanks for the input.